VW T6.1 Highline T28. Now the prices are starting to ease on the VWs, I'm starting to get into these VWs. Look at this for a stunner. Look at that. It's Ascot Grey. I don't think it is. I think it's khaki, brown, white. Just look at that. And it's been ceramic coated. Hence, I have a watering can. Follow me. Now the thing with these T6.1s is the grill's completely different. And you're getting the narrower, is that right? The narrower headlights coming around. Just before we do anything else, check look at that. Check out them wheels. So, ceramic coated. I could do this all day. Are we ready? Ready for the money shot? Look at that. Do we do B-roll there? A bit of music going. Okay. I'm starting to get one over with these VWs as well, and this is a really good build. It's a 2020. Check out the number plate, dub. So we're on a private plate there as well. Euro 6, 2 litre, 110 brake horsepower, 2,800 kilograms. It's only 5 speed. Yeah. Okay. And what they've done with these is they've gone down to 5 speed because they're that quick. You don't need 6 speeds. So as you can see, we've got the pop top. Let's just have a nose here. That's a hookup for electric, and then we've also got water. That's telling us there's a fresh water tank, roughly about 20 litres, I'd say. Did I say 21,000 miles? 4.9 metres long. And then let's just have a look at the back of this van. Look how smooth that is. So we've got the good struts on them there as well. Nice colour, and we've got the cabin seat. And then I'll just drop that back down again. I just love that colour. Really nice, and I hope it's coming across on the video as well. It's a stunning colour. So, we've mentioned the ceramic coating, alloy wheels. We've got an M1 crash tested. Now, we'll just have a look in the cab because I want to show you it's got a media pack here. So you can have the Apple CarPlay, you can have the Android. It's got mirror links. What's mirror links?
Not sure actually, it just said mirror link.
Oh, thanks.
CarPlay's good.
DAB radio, but nice looking cab. Really nice looking cab.
I think it's a new steering wheel, is it, as well, where you get all your hands-free cruise control.
Yeah, it was only just serviced. So first of all, we'll have a quick look. We've got the seat here. We unscrew these, and this will swivel all around. I'm not going to bore you with it because I've shown you before on lots of different videos. And then let's have a look inside this van. So we've got your standard compressor fridge.
What does that run on?
12 volts.
Just for anyone who's new to the channel.
Sorry Finn, sorry, come back Kev. So yeah, compressor fridges are really good fridges. They run off the 12 volts, also 230 they plugged in. Good thing about the compressor fridges is they do get really cold as well. But once they hit temperature, then they stop. Obviously when you open it and the temperature drops, then they start working again as well. Just noticing it, Paul. Let's get some light in here. There we go.
So, it opens up. That's class, that is.
Oh yeah. Look at that. So are you ready for the convertible VW Campervan? You ready? Here we go. So first of all, we take the zips around, like so. like so. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this down. Have you got hold of that, Finn?
Yeah.
Take that around to that one around to like that. Just down a touch. And then I've got this one. Like so. And the next one. So if you can just see here, we just basically lock it in. There, like that. And then I've got another one here. So, this has multiple uses. If you want to go on a safari, it's perfect. If you want to go around the countryside for looking at all the wildlife, or if the sun's beating in, and have a look from the outside. I can go down the street and wave to everybody. And if it's a really hot day, you've got all the breeze coming into the van as well. How good's that? The world's first VW Campervan convertible, and you've seen it here first. That's quite impressive, that, isn't it? Yeah. I'm really impressed with that. So let's move on. We've got the standard 2-burner hob. We've got the sink. There isn't an awful lot they can do with the VW, so that everything's pretty much the muchness. But the build, I'm liking the build. We've got the gas down there, and then I'm just looking here as well. Oh, we've got a tank test there, look as well. And then we've also got the heating, which is going to be a diesel.
Any more lights?
Any more lights to bloody want, then? Oh, look at you. So we've got the diesel heater. There's your tank test there as well. Simple control points is pretty much on them all. Your leisure, your vehicle, your pump. Look at that. On there. Again, we've got a bit of storage in here. We have got the consumer unit there, and then we do also have the table. LEDs running along as well. So we've got the table, which should push out like that, go around, and then slot into there. And I'm just going to show you the rock and roll bed, because this Vulcan, it looks a real sturdy storage below. I'm assuming lift, pull, and drop down.
Quite a simple one, wasn't it?
It's quite simple, isn't it?
It looks comfy in some of them as well. Some of them you get a bit of the bumps and stuff, don't you?
Oh, it is comfy. So before I get this bed up, we've got the seat belts, 2 seat belts as well. We've got the USB points, also with the USBs at the front, and also 230 as well. Quick thought as well, let me just show you. We do have blinds as well on the window.
Same on the back.
Again, and also, let me get you. Oh, we've got lights here as well, Phil, we missed them. So, right, let's have an attempt to get this bed up now. So, I'm gonna go to the side. Oh, that was easy. So there you have it. Is that in? Ah, there we go. So, VW, what are VW Campervans about? When you start, obviously you've seen quite a few of them, you start to appreciate which ones are the good ones, the bad ones. Loving that, never seen that before on the pop top. It's got all your kit you need. You've got your fridge, your hobs, you've got your heating, you've got USBs, 12 volts, you've got your 230 volts, you've got your fresh water tank, nice comfy bed, stunning looking colour, and you've got your ceramic coating.